Dear customer, today is the third day of Navarathri, dedicated to Goddess Chandraghanta Mata. Signifies strength, resilience, and ability to overcome all the obstacles of our life. On this occasion, we at AGR Sai HVAC provide you 5% discount on all our air conditioning brands like Samsung, LG, Mitsubishi, and Daikin brands. And most importantly, you need not have to break the bank. We provide you easy EMI with 0% interest. For more information, contact on this number or visit our website to book your air conditioner. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends for our latest updates.